Hey, what's up guys, it's me Electrify here and welcome back to another video. And I did a little upgrade to my channel, and that is I changed my logo. I guess this update. um, I'm still at 26 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, if you think it's helpful. And I'm going to do an unboxing video about this little vehicle black box DVR dash cam, and let's get into the video. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. So guys, special features in this dash cam is you can record full HD videos, and you have G sensor. A G sensor is a G sensor can detect and monitor the G-force, and yeah. So and you have you can record 5 megapixel videos, and you also can take photos, and it will also record your voice. And we also have motion detector. Motion detector is it will like automatically record the place if it's like moving. Like example, if you're driving a car, it will automatically record that clip. And last we have cycle recorder. So that's all we have around this box. And top, don't have anything under it. So let's get in the video. I'm gonna open it. Uh-oh. You guys can see here. I don't think it's a good product. It's not even safe. Look. Okay, I think this dash cam. I'm not gonna take it out. I'm gonna place it right here. And we have a card box thing. And don't need that either. So we have something else. I'm sure this is the mount and the power cable. And we also have a manual. Yeah, it's in Chinese and English. So yeah, that's me. So I'm gonna start with the dash cam. It's not even heavy. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. It looks great. You have some buttons here and more buttons, and there's some inputs, and yeah, it looks like modern thing. What do you call those? Like looks like nice, but okay, let's go to the next part. And here we have the mount. Yep, it is a mount. You're gonna place this one on your windshield and just press this lever down, and it's not gonna work on this because it's not a glass. See, and let's see how to mount this together. There's a little thing here. You can mount it, connect both together, like this, I guess. Yep, it is. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it. That's okay. Looks good. Not bad. Yep. So let's go to the next part, which is the power cable. So here we have the power cable. this part will go to your camera, dash cam, and this part is gonna go to your car. You know what this is, right? Okay. So I'm gonna figure it out how to plug. We have a little place to plug it. I'm gonna use it. Okay, it fits perfectly. Yep. So this is the whole thing, and the cable is pretty long. Yeah, it's a long one, and it looks cheap, and it is cheap too. I can't say it's great, but yeah, that's for this video. And I'm not gonna highly recommend this camera for you. There's good and cheap cameras out there, and you can like search it up. And I just bought this camera for you guys to know that this one's not the great camera. If you're seeing a camera like showing like this stuff, don't buy it. This is like fake stuff. It's not even solid. Wait, look. Okay, so I'm not gonna highly recommend this camera. If you really need it, if you wanna buy it, I'll put the link to this product in the description, but I don't recommend it. I mean, it's bad. So this is it for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll talk to you the next one. Peace.